Making our customers happy is our #1 priority, so when one of them writes us an awesome 5-star review, we love to share it. It just never gets old when our customers post this type of experience online. We take pride in knowing we're making our customers happy, makes us happy, as we continue to work hard to provide the best service possible. Making our customers happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make our customers happy each and every day. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We would love the opportunity to add you to our list of happy customers. Thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Call us today and let us give you the same amazing customer service.